Would you be able to cool a room by opening a refrigerator? To answer this, we must look at the second law of thermodynamics, which states that